Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about BitTycoon. Quick disclaimer, this video is based on publicly available information and my personal take. BitTycoon has a 3.8 star rating on Google Play with over 500,000 downloads. While it looks easy to use, many users complain that earnings are extremely slow, especially when using the free version. Watching ads doesn't seem to improve mining speed, and users feel stuck grinding for tiny rewards. On Trustpilot, BitTycoon.com has a 2.7 star rating with many 1 star reviews. Users report failed withdrawals, poor support, and lost money. Some even say they spent real cash but couldn't cash out. Scam Advisor also warns that the site has a very low trust score. BitTycoon runs as a cloud mining simulator. Free contracts offer very low returns, while paid ones are only slightly better. You need to reach this to withdraw, which can take forever. Ultimately, the app profits from ads rather than real mining. For the final verdict, BitTycoon might seem legit at first, but too many users report problems with payouts and slow progress. With poor trust ratings and questionable practices, it leans more toward being a scam or at best a time waster. It's not a reliable way to earn Bitcoin. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.